Hello guys, and welcome back to Vitiligo Talks. If you're new to my channel, then please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon, and you'll get notifications of when I put new content out. And if you do like this video, then a thumbs up would be great, so I can make new content for you guys. So in my last video I did say that I was going to set this up, so let's do that now. So let's turn this on, put it to the side. So let's turn this on and see where we get to. And so you got the Apple screen. So choosing my language, country, so setting up my language. You can either do quick start or set up manually, so let's just set up manually. So I will choose my Wi-Fi network, and then you enter your password. Say join. And it says that it will take a few minutes to activate your phone. So here it shows you a few options: restore from your iCloud backup, restore from your Mac or PC, move from an Android, or transfer data. Don't transfer data, I mean, so that'll start as a fresh phone. I'll be moving from an Android, so I click on an Android phone. So click, and then it gives me this option of moving from an Android. So I'll be moving my stuff over from my Android device, which is here. So this is an old Samsung Galaxy S5. So if I press continue on there, I agree to that, allow, move all access, allow, and then just allowing everything to be moved over. So when I press continue, I add this number in there, and it will migrate all my contacts and all my information from my Android device to my new iPhone SE. So as you can see here, it's moving things over. So if I press continue, so it'll take about 7-8 minutes, as it, well, 4 minutes now. So I'll come back when this is done. So this is what it will look like when your phone has been set up. So the data has been done from my Android phone, so we'll put that to the side. And yeah, so we'll set up Touch ID. That's complete, and then I'll have to put in a password. Just use anyway. Obviously you guys will be using a much secure password than this. Continue. Now if you like to enable location services, you can, but I will be enabling mine. So this is what your first screen will look like. So this is the black version. So I'll be going through a long-term review of this. I will go away, play around with this, and in about a month's time I'll probably put a review of this up. as I'll talk about battery life, performance, camera, screen, etc. So if you like this content, then do hit the subscribe button and also like this. Hopefully I'll see you in the next one.